This is a 2010 Toyota Tundra. It has a 5.7-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a passenger side vanity mirror, front side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a split folding rear seat, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 51,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Toyota of Irving is located at 1999 West Airport Freeway in Irving. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.